3 basic systems of double spiral freezer. Insulation system. Transmission system. Heat exchange system. The insulation body of the spiral quick freezing equipment consists of stainless steel polyurethane sandwich panels. The internal foam of the panels is injected using a high-pressure foaming machine, and the polyurethane material used is from Huntsman. The bottom of the cold storage is made of stainless steel to form an integral sink, with drainage ditches on both sides. The cages, supports, and guide rails are made of stainless steel material. The parts in contact with the conveyor belt are made of high-friction reducing polymer polyethylene. The large stainless steel sprocket on the cage is nearly the same diameter as the cage itself, reducing tension in the transmission chain. Low-tension synchronous drive technology is used to ensure stable and reliable transmission. The equipment uses a high-strength spiral-specific horseshoe conveyor belt. The 304 stainless steel belt is of the inward shrinking type. There are side guards on both sides of the chain plates to prevent products from slipping. The evaporator's evaporating tubes are made of aluminum alloy, and the fins are made of rust-resistant aluminum alloy. The ventilation system utilizes axial flow fans for efficient, energy-saving, low noise, and smooth operation. CBFI. Make every frozen food count.